There are so many makeup brushes and tools on the market that it can become a little expensive collecting all these tools. So I've come up with a hack that won't require you to buy all these tools and you can still get a flawless eye makeup. So if you want to know what's this hack, then please keep on watching. I'm starting out by priming my lids with the Pack Takeover concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm setting it with the Sugar's banana powder. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape. I'm first using this blending brush by ABH Cosmetics as it is to buff out the shades Burnt Orange and Red Ochre in my crease area. Next, I'm transforming my blending brush into a smaller blending brush by tying an elastic and pushing it towards the bristles so that the bristles become a little stiff, and I'm going to use it to apply the shade Cypress Umber in my outer corner. To cut my crease, I'm taking a pin and shifting it across the bristles of the brush to create a flat brush that can spread across the concealer smoothly. This one's Pack Takeover concealer in the shade Beach Sand. Using the same brush, I'm decorating my lid with this gold shade Primavera. And to line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. Now for my lower lash line, I'm again sliding the pin across the bristles of the brush, but this time I'm keeping it a little bit lower so it doesn't become too stiff, creating a definer brush to buff out the shade Burnt Orange in my lower lash line. To create a pencil brush, I'm again using an elastic but pushing it closer towards the tip of the bristles to get more stiffness, and I'm dipping it into the shade Primavera to brighten my inner corner and my brow bone. For my waterline, I'm using a blue kajal. This one is by Sugar. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one is by Mars. For falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. And for lipstick, I'm using the shade Nude Nuance by Maybelline. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.